Hey folks, welcome to another Xrumer7.com tutorial video. In this video we're going to talk about advanced project settings. In particular, we're going to talk about how to use the Xrumer variation system. This is very important. You do not want to use Xrumer without this. So basically we'll boot up Xrumer, we'll go into our project settings, and we'll begin with a simple macro. It's a variable system. And we'll use the bracket keys with the shift key held down. I will be providing a PDF with copies of all these codes. And we'll type two words, red and blue. Now in between these two words we will put a line. Now let's say we want to put the word awesome and pink. Each of these is one possible word Xrumer will use when we post the topic. So in between these brackets, it'll be either red or blue, or awesome and pink, and it will both of these. For example, if we wanted to choose only one of the four above, we would do red, blue, awesome, pink, all within the same set of brackets. Each set of brackets is its own variable system. One of the words inside will be chosen. You can even do phrases such as, hi, my name is, phrase number 2, in concert with something like, now a more realistic example of how you would want to use this is something like, hi, hello, greetings, closed brackets, my name, my title, people call me. You can very quickly use this variation system to create unique messages. That is the idea. That way none of your content is identical. Likewise, you can use it up in the topic title. So for example, if I wanted my topic to be a variation of the word, say, let's go with affiliate marketing. It's awesome, incredible, impressive, and free. Affiliate, internet, marketing, advertising, script, software. And thus each one of these will be a variation of the words included, and I will have a unique set of post titles and content. Okay, now we're going to get into more complex stuff. This is just a basic variation system. Say you want to create a message that includes the host name, the site URL you were posting to. You could create a macro something like this. Well, greetings, my name is, we'll just build off of this one. I really like your website, number, host name. And this will place the address of the site you were posting to, just the domain name, next to this content. Here's an example of how the rendered results look. Okay, now we're going to do something else. We're going to use a system that will create a random number or letter at the end of something. This is useful for usernames and really not much else. So we'll do this with our username. First, we'll put in a set of possible names. We'll put two brackets. And as you will see, a random number of 1 through 9 will be appended to the end. We can do it with letters as well. And finally, we can do it with letters and numbers, both as potential choices. Simply place a comma in between the A and Z and 0.9. Here you will see I'll randomly choose a letter or a number Okay, next, most importantly, something I find myself using the most frequently, file underscore links and the name of the file you wish to post from. In this example, what I'm going to show you how to do is post from your success file, and I'll explain why this is important momentarily. So what you will do is you will go to your logs folder and open up a project. Now normally there will be a success.txt file in here. This is a new install of Xrumer, so there is not. So I will simply rename this to success.txt. Normally you will want to go to your Xrumer folder, your install folder, go to logs, and look for the project name. In this case the project name is template, but look for the name of the project you've created in Xrumer, and make sure you get this location. You'll want to, of course, have a thorough or precise idea of where it's at, and you'll copy the entire contents of that. Go back to your Xrumer project. You will place the full location on your hard drive of the success file. You can do this with any other file as well. We'll want to append a 1 and an N to the end of this, and a closing bracket. Now what this example will do is place a random link here from the success file as it is generated. So to go look at an example, let's make sure I formatted this properly. You can simply click the File Links button, of course. To change the 5 to a 1. And here you will see it's posting the content from that file, just one line. Now the ideal way to use this as I said, is to go directly to the logs folder and place the success file. You want to change it to 1, otherwise it will post from 5 lines. Now, in a lot of cases, what you'll want to do is you'll want to take a link code, as if you were generating a link, and place it on the outside of this code. Place this on the inside. Let me give you an example. So what we'll want to do is set up a proper link code as per usual. ahref equals quotations, the URL of the file, which in this case is the success.txt file. And we'll want to paste it in here. Like the whole of the code above, we will place in the brackets where the URL for the link is at. You will see keyword text. Now I want to show you how you can rotate both the name of the links. You simply use the syntax I taught you above. Name 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, keyword 4, and as many links as you would like to include on this new page or this new post. You simply repeat, and it will interlink all of your newly created content when you use this system. I have left a bracket open somewhere. You can't do that. Alright, here it is. As you will see, it will rotate both locations and URLs. There was only one link in what I created. Okay, that just about finishes it for this basic tutorial on using Xrumer syntax. It's very important to use this properly. You can pull from text files. You can pull from any text file using this particular code. You can pull signatures and hobbies and whatever you want. You can rotate your home page. You can set up a system to randomize your name, your signature text and link. That's really all there is to it. It's very simple, but it's very important. You do not want to create 10,000 copies of the same thing. This is very, very bad behavior to follow. The variable system and macro system, which I've just taught you how to use, simplifies all that, makes it all a non-issue.